What up, YouTube friends? We're over here, the truck's on the lift. We're gonna put the leveled up lift kit on the truck today. So stay tuned for that and see how it goes. I promise it's not stolen, officer. Kit, the 1-inch puck lifts on top of the strut, and then the tie rod end. Yeah, we're getting the tie rod end off, bro. Shit. Very nice. Okay. All right, to get the tie rod off, it's a 21 millimeter. The lower shock bolts is gonna be a 15 millimeter. Take those bad boys out. Not there. I came over on the tape, buddy. Cool. Yeah, I'd be able to bring them to the shop and... Yeah. Wrench in there, you kind of get it stuck, but don't use a ratcheting wrench for the furthest in nut. Yeah, you'll stuck, or you'll end up like this guy. Loosen the upper control arm bolt. You don't have to take it all the way off. Then take these off, the lower shock bolts, and your tie rod, and then you're good to go. We're putting on the spring right now. The first 23 Colorado disassemble front suspension on YouTube. Just go get a AutoZone special spring compressor and you can do it yourself. But I'm not trying to lay on the Arizona concrete and put this on for you guys, so. Sounds good. Look at that Toyota owner right there. Upper control arm bolt is going to be an 18 millimeter. 18 millimeter. There we go. Okie dokie. There it is. Alright, so this baby comes off first right here. Got to bust that one loose. Just use a little screwdriver and a hammer, you know. Same thing with this one. Bust this one off.
I also made sure to mark it. Don't know if it matters on these trucks, but just so when I reassemble, it goes back on straight.
Back on straight right there. Hear that? Just make sure everything, you know, we want you guys to have it run smoothly. You know, for your first time, this is the first 23 Colorado disassemble shock video on YouTube. So
put that back on.
Drop that in there.
Take your new collar or your old collar. Put it right back in there.
Put it right there.
Line her up. Take your little pad.
Hit that bitch back on. And we'll put the coil back on and top nut. I'll show you a little more on this one too. Got this one out. Yeah. Hit it. Woo. Woo. That's all it takes. Yeah, one and done, baby. Oh, there you go. Alright guys, we're gonna go put the wheel back on now. Everything's all bolted up and everything. We're gonna put it on the ground. I'll show you guys how it looks in the front. 35, Alright guys, well we just got our first oil change over there at Chevy. They kind of did a piss poor job over here. Dripping right there. I don't know if they just didn't clean it or they didn't put the oil filter on the right. And around the goddamn drain plug is just oil city. Didn't even clean it up. It's fucking bullshit, dude. My sway bar, everything. Come on, Chevy. What the hell is this? The rear shackles here. Alright, so we're doing the rear one right now. Probably take that top one off first. So this is a comparison for this from the stock to the leveled up rear shackles. Look at that. Look at right here compared to the thin that is. That's some thin shit. You gonna flex to snap, you know? So there's the side by side. We got one side in right here. So you can get this on without dropping your spare. You just gotta undo your U-bolts back here. Let that sit down a little bit and kind of push your actual leaf spring up to slide it out right there. But we got one in.
There's probably some like Chevy engineer out there that's like, oh, you're doing that wrong, but honestly,
Yeah.
you can kick dirt.
Yeah, you can kick dirt. There it is. We got this one going in now. Woo, got her done. I thought she was gonna be a little more higher in the rear, but oh, 35s, bro. Oh, lordy. All right, everybody. Shout out to Devontae for helping me put the lift on, and I tried to video it. Hope the video looks good and you understand how to put the lift together. It was pretty easy. It's just a puck lift, but this is the first ever 23 Colorado suspension teardown on YouTube. So hope you guys watch this if you have any questions about your lift. But shout out to Higgies for letting us borrow the lift, and Devontae for helping me put it on. So clean that off. Spin on it maybe a little bit. Let's see. Right there. Cold start MagnaFlow Overland Series exhaust, baby. Very nice, very nice. Shout out to Demonte again. He's got a sick Lexus. He's got all these Toyota shop. The Colorado's at a Toyota shop. Bunch of cool Toyotas for you Toyota fanboys. Land Cruisers, Lexuses, all these rigs. The tires loaded up. Really hoping Big O Tire doesn't give me a hard time, because we're definitely gonna rub a bunch. Let's hope they play nice and they mount and balance my tires. Hopefully you guys keep watching and see the outcome. It's time to go pick up the tires. Let's go, babe. Come on. I'm gonna go see those 35s. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. All right, guys. Okay, we're at the 35. Let's go. Come on.
Oh my god. He's such a dork.
All right, guys. We're pulling in Big O Tires right now. Oh, shit. I'm gonna give a shout out to those guys at Big O Tire. Super nice guys. All right, guys, I got some good news here. We don't rub unless we're off-roading, but when we're driving daily, we don't rub at all. So maybe just turn it full lock. But yeah, first 23 Colorado with 35s, 35 11.5 Falcon wildpeak RTs. Yeah, we did it. The journey to 35s. We have made it. Yeah, we're just taking pictures right now. Get some cool shots with the 35s. So you guys get the leveled up 2-inch lift kit in the front, one in the rear. Send it, boys. Run those 35s, who cares? All right, guys, I'll give you a little walk around here. This is how she looks. I'll give you a little inside fender well shot later. But yeah, 35s look nice. Look real nice. Thank God we didn't run on this pallet with the nails. So right now we're kind of turned. We ain't hitting right there. Here's a little walk around of the 35 11.5s here. She ain't really rubbing that much. You can only really tell barely right there, just a tad, but it's carpet. It's not bad. That's it. We'll walk around. Let's see how the other side looks. Yep. And let's see here. Oh shit! No, I don't see nothing. She ain't rubbing on the back wall. It's a little flex, but not bad. Not bad. Alright, so here's the only rubbing we really got. You can see that camera focused where that dirt spot is, right here. That's about it. Not too bad. front, she ain't rubbing at all, which I'm pretty surprised. Yep. I'm pretty flexed out right there. We'll go get a look. Give it a look and see how she looks. It's full flex. We're definitely rubbing. Yeah, we're very stuffed right there if you haven't noticed. But that's full flex. The bumper's almost hitting the ground. Those rear shackle hangers definitely let me flex out a little bit more, which is pretty nice. And this side's pretty flexed out as well. A little bit. 6 foot and I still can't get in this thing this high. Nah, she don't rub. All right, so that's at full lock right there. We're just rubbing a little bit on that back firewall. All right, he's gonna swing it the other way. Same thing, just a little bit on the carpet fender liner. So if you're gonna rub a little bit on the carpet, we'll probably just have to trim this a little bit and then we'll be chilling. Same thing with the front. We'll probably just have to do that with the front, but yeah, first 23 Colorado with 35s. All right, guys, that concludes the journey to 35s for the Z71 23 Colorado with a 2-inch lift in the front, 1 in the rear. That is the journey to 35s, and we have made it. Here's another little walk around with the 35s. Looking pretty spicy. But yeah, you can see a little bit in the rear where she rubs right there. Just a bit, just a bit. And then the back, mud flap. This guy's gotta go. We're tearing it off, so that's gotta go. I think that's about it. Just that front right there, and the back on there, and that is the journey to 35s. Looks really good. All right, guys, thanks for watching my video. I appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe for more adventure video build. I got some lights that I'm wiring up next, so like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.